Welcome back, folks. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of food preservation. Whether you're a meal prep enthusiast, a sous vide aficionado, or just want to cut down on food waste, we've got you covered. We've researched and tested the best vacuum sealers on the market in 2023, so you can make the most informed choice for your kitchen. Let's get started. Number 5. The Inkbird INK VS01 Vacuum Food Sealer is a game changer for food preservation. It extends the shelf life of your food by removing air from bags and sealing them, keeping your food fresh up to 5 times longer than traditional methods. With 2 sealing modes and a 1-button stop feature, it's versatile and easy to use. You can customize the size of your bags with the built-in cutter, accommodating up to 12-inch width sealer bags and rolls. This vacuum sealer is a time and money saver, with a strong 80 kPa suction capability that quickly vacuums and seals your food to keep it fresh. It's perfect for a wide range of foods and small items that you want to protect from oxidation. The package includes everything you need to get started, making it a complete and convenient solution for food preservation. With a 12-month warranty, you can trust in its quality and performance. Number 4. The Umith Vacuum Sealer Packaging Machine T287 is a kitchen essential that elevates your food preservation game. This device not only reduces food wastage but also locks in the flavors, nutrients, and freshness of your food. It's incredibly easy to use and helps save both time and money. By removing most of the oxygen and slowing down oxidation and microbial growth, it effectively extends the shelf life of your food. Safety is a top priority with this vacuum sealer. It holds various certifications, including CE, CB, GS, ETL, ROHS, and REACH, ensuring its quality and safety. The 12-volt low-voltage heating wires add an extra layer of protection, and the NTC overheating protection system guarantees secure usage. The quick sealing feature, continuous working capability, and built-in cutter make it incredibly convenient. It takes just 6 to 11 seconds to seal your food, making it perfect for a non-stop sealing process. The vacuum pressure, up to 60 kPa, ensures a tight seal. The dry or moist mode setting optimizes sealing for different types of food. The instant sealing function prevents delicate foods from getting crushed. The 3 mm sealing width is ideal for sous vide cooking, preventing splitting during boiling. This vacuum sealer isn't just for food, it can also protect valuable non-food items like antiques, electronics, and jewelry. It's a versatile and efficient addition to any kitchen, helping you keep your food fresh and organized. Plus, with fast shipping, you can start using it within 48 hours of ordering. Number 3. The Inkbird INK VS02 Vacuum Sealer Packaging Machine is a must-have for any kitchen. Its high-quality construction, featuring a stainless steel face shell and durable ABS material, adds a touch of elegance to its functionality. This vacuum sealer is not only beautiful but also highly efficient. With a powerful 85 kPa vacuum pump and an excellent motor, it can quickly and stably vacuum seal your food, ensuring freshness and preventing freezer burn. The 4 sealing modes, dry, moist, pulse, canister, make it versatile for preserving different types of food, from dry goods to meat and fish. One of its standout features is the built-in cutter and roll bag chamber. This convenient addition allows you to create custom-sized bags and store rolls for future use. Plus, the 30 cm large sealing length lets you vacuum seal multiple bags at once, saving time and effort. The INK VS02 extends the shelf life of your food by 8 times, reducing waste and food spoilage. It's an excellent addition to any kitchen, and its LED indicator makes operation a breeze. Invest in this vacuum sealer, keep your food fresh, and maintain a healthier lifestyle. Number 2. The Sous VH5188 Commercial Vacuum Sealer Machine is a game changer for anyone looking to preserve food longer and reduce waste. This multifunctional vacuum sealer boasts some impressive features. Firstly, it's equipped with a double vacuum pump, providing a powerful 90 kPa suction force for maximum air extraction. The double heating wire ensures a strong and reliable seal, even for moist or liquid-based foods. This means your food stays fresher and more flavorful for an extended period. The built-in bag storage and cutter add convenience, allowing you to create custom-sized bags without needing scissors. With 2 rolls and an extra foam gasket included, you're well equipped for your food preservation needs. One-hand operation and a locked handle design make sealing a breeze, and the Vac and Seal button simplifies the process further. Plus, the pulse button lets you manually control the vacuum pressure, catering to various food types. Preserve the taste and nutrients of your food while confidently storing fruits, vegetables, meat, and fish. This vacuum sealer protects your food from the deteriorating effects of air, ensuring freshness and reducing waste. It's an excellent addition to any kitchen. Number 1. The Liming 6621 Vacuum Sealer Packing Machine is an excellent addition to any kitchen, offering a range of features that make food preservation a breeze. One standout feature is its capability for continuous operation, allowing up to 100 cycles in dry mode at room temperature. This ensures that you can tackle large food preservation tasks without worrying about overheating. This vacuum sealer excels in keeping food fresh, locking in flavors, and preserving nutrients. By removing most of the oxygen, it slows down oxidation, reduces the growth of microorganisms, and prevents mold formation, effectively extending the shelf life of your food. Safety is a priority with this machine. It boasts certifications from CE, CB, GS, ETL, ROHS, and REACH, ensuring that it meets stringent quality and safety standards. The 12-volt low-voltage heating wires provide an added layer of safety, and NTC overheating protection ensures secure usage. Quick sealing, a built-in cutter for customized bags, LED indicators, and versatile sealing modes for various foods all contribute to the convenience of this vacuum sealer. It even has an instant seal function to protect delicate foods from getting crushed. For sous vide enthusiasts, the Liming vacuum sealer offers a perfect sealing width of 3 mm, ensuring your food remains intact during the cooking process. This vacuum sealer is not only a practical addition to your kitchen but also an ideal gift choice for family and friends. Keep your food fresh and flavorful with this powerful and efficient vacuum sealer.